The data from your AMS-TAC system needs to be backed up on a regular basis. Most users store their data on the local hard drive of one of their AMS-TAC machines. This data is not recoverable if the hard disk fails unless you have a current backup of your data. If your data is stored locally, you should back up your data every day to avoid losing a day's work. In some cases, your system administrator may have set up AMS-TAC to save data on a network drive, which may be backed up by your IT department. Please check with your administrator for more information. Before you back up your data, it is important to understand the difference between the types of data residing in your AMS-TAC system. Online data is your current active data. Archive data is data that has been moved to the archive directory. For more information, please see our help menus and other videos on archive data. Before you perform a backup, you need to ensure that your system setup is properly configured. You must be logged into AMS-TAC as an administrator. To begin, select System, Setup, Miscellaneous Drive Path Settings. Ensure that your backup restore path is properly configured. It is best to choose a drive location that is not on the same hard drive as AMS, such as a network drive, CD drive, or USB drive. If you have made changes, be sure to click the Save to Disk button and then Close to exit. Now we can begin the backup process. Select Data, Backup. You'll have the option to back up either online or archive data. It is recommended that you check both boxes. Click on the Backup button to start the backup process. When AMS is finished backing up data to the specified location, you will receive a message letting you know that the process was complete. Click on OK to return to the main screen. If you used removable media, such as a CD or USB device, you should label them with today's date and store them in a safe location in case you need to retrieve the data. Next, let's take a look at how you restore data if there is a data loss. The Restore function allows you to restore your online and archive data. Your data will be restored to your AMS database from the location that was specified in the System Setup Miscellaneous Drive Path Settings section, as shown earlier in this video. To restore your data, select Data, Restore. You'll have the option to restore either online data, archive data, configuration, and/or TCMD footers. Again, online data is current data, and archive data is data that has been moved to the archive directory. Configuration data is your AMS system setup data. TCMD footers are the footer constants for your transportation control and movement documents. Make your selections and then click on the Restore button. When AMS is finished restoring data, you will receive a message letting you know that the process was complete.